Hello, welcome back. Today I will make a gentle cleansing mousse for the face, which is very simple. And for this I will use cucumber extract. If you want tips on how to make your own cleansing mousse for the skin, then come with me. And if you are not subscribed to the channel, take the opportunity to subscribe, leave your like and comment, hit the notification bell and share this video, and take every opportunity to live a more natural life. For this formula, you will need a bottle with a foamer, which works by introducing air into the product, creating the light and soft foam that we want for our mousse. To start, I have here 24.5 grams of water. And to this water, I'll add cucumber extract. If you haven't seen the video on how to make cucumber extract yet, I'll leave the link in the description below. And to help with aroma and hydration, I'll add geranium hydrosol with its gentle floral scent. And also rose hydrosol with its divine scent that, in my opinion, pairs perfectly with the scent of cucumber. In another container, I will weigh 2.5 grams of the surfactant. This surfactant I am using produces a very gentle foam, and it can also be used by people with sensitive skin. And to add more hydration to the skin, I will add vegetable glycerin. I will leave all the quantities I am using in this recipe in the description below. Next, I will mix these ingredients very well. Now I will gradually add the water and extracts to the mixture of surfactant and glycerin, mixing well after each addition. At this stage, I will not stir too fast to avoid creating too much foam, as it's difficult to fill the bottle. I will check the pH of the solution to verify if it meets the pH required by the preservative, which must be less than 9. The liquid has a pH of 8, so we can add the preservative now. Remembering that the preservative is necessary if we don't intend to use all the content immediately or within 3 days. Since the preservative I'm using is natural, it will protect the product for a maximum of 30 days. And it is ready. Now I will just put it in the bottle with a foam pump. To use, wet the skin, apply a small amount, massage in circular motions, and then rinse. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share with your friends, hit the notification bell so you know when a new video comes out. Leave your comment below and see you in the next video.